সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, কেমন আছো? সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী, ভালোই আছে। আজকে আমি 11.5 এখান থেকে শুরু করবো, তো চলো ক্লাসটা শুরু করা যাক। Now read the note again and do the fill in the gaps activity using the words from the box in pairs or groups. You may use one word more than once, then check your answers with your peer. নোটটি পড়ো এবং বক্স থেকে শব্দ নিয়ে শূন্যস্থান পূরণ করে। একটি শব্দ একাধিকবার ব্যবহার করা যাবে। এরপর সহপাঠীদের সাথে খাতা বিনিময় করে উত্তর মূল্যায়ন করো। তো চলো আমরা এই স্ক্রিপ্টে সরাসরি চলে যাই। তো এখান থেকে আমাদের দেয়ার আর এখানে 5 নিতে হবে। 5 types of sentences in English. An assertive sentence begins with a noun or pronoun. An assertive sentence may be affirmative or negative. An interrogative sentence is used to ask questions. An imperative sentence begins with a verb. We pray for wish others with an optative sentence. An exclamative sentence expresses our strong emotion or excitement. এরপরে আছে 11.6 read the story Bellerophon of Greece. এখানে Bellerophon of Greece and then match the words or phrases with their meanings. গল্পটি পড়ো এবং শব্দের অর্থ মিল করো। Bellerophon of Greece. Once a young shepherd Bellerophon lived in Greece. He lived in a hut on the bank of a river by the mountainside. He used to work from dawn to dusk. He passed his days by cooking food, cutting wood, getting water, washing clothes, looking after the animals, and doing hundreds of other things. A huge dog named Philo was his constant companion. One day, Prince Proetus of Lycica came with a great fleet of boats on the river. The prince had a terrible reputation, so Bellerophon said to himself, "You don't want to get mixed up with him." A few days passed without any incident. One day, a few soldiers came to Bellerophon and said, "Hey, farm boy, we are running out of meat. Our prince ordered us to buy our livestock. Sorry, sir, they are not for sale." He replied, "How dare you?" said one soldier. The second soldier started to approach with a naked sword. Seeing this, Philo jumped and bit the second soldier on the arm. Seeing the dog's size and ferocity of the soldiers failed, Bellerophon immediately set free all his animals and started to run toward the mountain with his dog. A few minutes after that, his angry prince came with his men shooting. Disrespectful shepherd, I will have your head." The soldiers searched the whole house but could not find him. Look, look, he is running to mountain. One soldier said, "Go after him." Shouted the prince. The prince's host come to halt before a lake, huge and deep. "Why are you stopping here? Don't you see he is on the other side?" said the angry prince. "My prince, there is no way to cross the lake," said his men. "How did he get across then? Come with me, I will swim across off. I have to," said the prince. "Don't do it, I say. You will regret it," shouted a Bellerophon. "Regret you will surely, farm boy," said the prince before getting into the water with his pen. "Not more than a minute or two had passed, and a great serpent appeared before them with a huge splashing of water. I am the serpent of this lake. How dare you to get into it without my permission? You shall be punished, had said the giant serpent before they could even move. The terrible and swift trick of the serpent came. The host drowned and so disappeared. The serpent, after thou- thunderous laughter. After everything settled down, the Bellerophon crossed the lake by a secret path and went to his hut. When the news of his son's death reached King Lobates in Lycica sent for the man responsible for his son's death. Bellerophon started his case in front of the king. The king appeared to be more reasonable than his son. Do you have any witnesses to prove your case? Said the king. Good is my witness. God is my witness, said Bellerophon. God will not testify on your behalf, will he? Said the queen. But we can know the will of God by giving him a task to complete. If the completes complete completes the task, then he is innocent, and if not, he is guilty, said the priest. What do you say, shepherd, said the king. I agree, said Bellerophon. Very well. Then said the queen, bring the head of the chimera to prove yourself innocent. They said, wish you good luck. Cimara was a horrible fire-breathing monster with the head of a lion and a snake for a tail and the body of hot. Bellerophon sets out to complete his task. On his way to find the Chimera, he came across a huge dark forest. Where he was crossing the forest, he heard a struggling sound. He looked for the source of the sound. He found that a horse was caught in a metal net. He came near to the horse carefully. "Help me, human," said the horse when he saw Bellerophon. Bellerophon said the horse, "Free, I am Pegasus. I am grateful for your help, but what are you doing in this dark forest?" said the horse. Bellerophon told his reason for being here. The dangerous your task is. I shall help you as a token of your friendship, said Pegasus. Pegasus, how will you how will we find the chimera? Said Bellerophon. It will be easy as well. Will be flying, said Pegasus. Pegasus, opening these big wings. After a while of flying, they came across the chimera. It started to breathe fire as soon as it spotted them. Bellerophon shot arrow after arrow and but could not kill the beast. At last he took his spear and threw it toward the opened mouth of the chimera. With task straight, he killed the beast and took its head as proof of his success. He got a hero's welcome when he got back to Lassica. His all charges against him were dropped. May you live long, my son. King Lassica said to Bellerophon. From then on, the young man was known as Bellerophon, the hero of Lassica. এরপরে এখানে মিল করতে হবে এই শব্দগুলো। তো চলো অ্যানালিসিসে চলে যাই। তো কম্পানিয়ন ওয়ার্ডস, এখানে কম্পানিয়ন আছে, যেটা হবে এ পারসন, মিনিং হবে এ পারসন অর অ্যানিমাল উইথ whom one spends a lot of time. Down to dusk, from sunrise to sunset, fleet of boats, a group of boats under a single command. Task, work to be done. Witness, a person who says something that happened. Fire breathing, releases flame from the mouth. Regard, feels sad when one fails to do something. Serpent, a large snake, splashing, the noise made by hitting the water. Streak, attack. আজকের ক্লাসটা এই পর্যন্ত। পরবর্তীতে আমরা এবিল 11.7 এখান থেকে শুরু করবো। তোমার ভিডিওগুলো ভালো লাগে থাকলে আমার চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবার সাথে থাকবে। এখানে 11.7 এ বি সি দেওয়া আছে, এখানে অনেকগুলো কাজই আছে। তো আমরা পরবর্তীতে এই কাজগুলোর অ্যান্সার দেখে নেব। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।